Soccer DBB number 179, 2016 Soccer Premier Gold. Teams are on the right. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. First off, jersey. Come on, give us a numbered patch at least. Come on. Just a jersey. And it is Michael Carrick, Man United. Luke Shaw, Man United, sorry. Man U, wow. Sergio getting all the hits from the boxes today. Again. John Barnes for Liverpool. Granit Xhaka. Andres Townsend. Crystal Palace. Again, Sergio, right? Palace is Sergio. Sergio getting all the hits. Got Tottenham, Wanyama. You got Igalo, Watford, Mesut Özil. Comes to silver for Crystal Palace. Wow. To 99, Andres Townsend. Emirates. There comes a numbered one. Come on, give us a good one. Oh, red. Red to 11. New signings to 11. And it is... Wow. Granit Xhaka. Nice. 6 of 11. Whoop whoop. Arsenal. I think I already have that. Do I have that? Not sure. Need to check. Nice. Xhaka. Refund. And number to 99 coming for Chelsea. David Luiz to 99. Silver for Bournemouth. The finger. Dan Gosling autograph. Bournemouth again. Sergio. Wow. Sergio really getting all the hits besides that Xhaka now. I think every autograph went to Sergio so far, right? Crazy. We have Southampton. And that does it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.